Kim Kyeong-ae, Korean, at 1/2 born November 12, 1989 in Daegu, is a South Korean sports shooter. She is also a member of the shooting team for East Hall Daegu South Ward and is coached and trained by Lim Jang-su.Kim. Represented South Korea at the 2012 Summer Olympics in London, where she competed in the women's 25 meters pistol, along with her teammate Kim Jang-mi, who eventually won a gold medal in the final. Kim shot 286 targets in the precision stage and 296 in the rapid fire, for a total score of 582 points and a bonus of 19 inner tens, finishing in 11th place. References. External links. NBC Olympics profile. Kim Kyeong-ae at Olympics at sportsreference.com.